Kids, welcome back to our channel, Skill for Creative Writing. In this video, today we are going to learn how to write a picture composition using a simple picture that you can see on the screen, and how to write an awesome picture composition step by step. Okay, so we'll start with or begin with the basic sentences that you learn in grade 1, and we will improve those sentences using describing words, and will enrich our writing by using rich vocabulary and sensory details that what we see, hear, feel, etc. Which means we will begin with the basic sentences, then slowly move to better or longer sentences, and finally we will learn to use sensory words to make our writing more interesting. Are you excited? So let's get started. So first look at this picture closely. What do you see? Think, what do you see? We can see what we can see here. We can see two girls, right? And two umbrellas, right? And raincoats, gumboots, etc. So that's we all need to begin with what we can see in the picture. So on the basis of that, what we can see in the picture, we'll write first the short and simple sentences like this. What are the sentences? First sentence, it is a rainy day that you can clearly see in the picture because it's raining. Two girls are playing in the rain. So what you can see, there are two girls. They're wearing raincoats. One girl is in a red raincoat that you can see. The other girl is in a yellow raincoat that also clearly visible. They are holding umbrellas. Yes, the umbrellas are purple and pink. By looking at the color of the umbrella, we can find out. The girls are wearing gumboots. Yes, they are walking in a puddle and they look happy and are enjoying the rain. So these are the simple 10 sentences that we can write for grade 1. If you are in grade 1, these sentences are perfect for you because they are short and they are clearly defining what is there in the picture. Now, if you are in higher grades like third, fourth, fifth, or even second, so these sentences are not for you. So in this video, I will tell you how to grow these sentences one by one to make your writing more skillful or more perfect. Okay. Now let's move on to next page. So start with the first sentence. It is a rainy day. Now in this sentence, we'll add more words to make the picture clearer. What does it mean? In a simple way to remember how to grow your picture by adding adjectives. What you will add? Adjectives means the word that describes the picture, or sensory details. Sensory details means the colors, feel the mood and picture the scene. Means what do I see, hear, feel and smell. So by adding these details, your writing will look clearer and awesome. Okay. So it is a rainy day. We can convert this writing into it is a cool and rainy day with gray colors in the cloud. Or by more stretching or adding sensory details, it is a cool and rainy day and sky is full of thick gray clouds and small raindrops are falling gently or softly on the road. So now you can see by adding the describing words or sensory details, you can convert this small, simple, short sentence into the elaborative and more clearer, which gives you an sense of imagination where you can imagine the picture. So it is a cool and rainy day, so you can imagine. The sky is full of thick gray clouds that you can imagine. And small raindrops are falling gently, softly on the road. So this is what you make your writing clearer by adding these details. Next, two girls are playing in the rain. So this you can convert into adding these details. Cheerful or happy girls are enjoying the rain together, or the girls are enjoying the cool breeze and the fresh smell of rain and walking together on the wet street. It means you are adding sounds and emotions also. What they are feeling, what they are enjoying. What are the emotions at that time? Third sentence, They are wearing raincoats. Raincoats, simple, because you can see in the picture. Now, what add extra details that you can add? They are wearing bright and colorful raincoats to stay dry, because this is the purpose of wearing raincoat. More details, their bright, colorful raincoats shine in the wet weather that protect them from the falling rain, keeping them warm and dry. Simply, you can stretch the sentence, right? So, how easy it is by adding more sensory details to the short sentence. Next sentence, like one girl is in a red raincoat. So simple sentence. What you can see in the picture, you can write it. One girl is in a red raincoat. Now adding details again. So one girl is dressed in a red raincoat. What else you can see? Just see closely. There is a duck. So with a little yellow duck in the pocket that you can add. Visual details, right? What extra things you can visualize? Or we can write one girl is wearing a cherry red raincoat. You're defining the color also. What red color? With a big shiny buttons. So again, you are visualizing ki on that red raincoat, what are there? Big shiny buttons. And even she has a small yellow duck toy tucked in her pocket. So you can define ki it's a toy, right? So from this, by using details, you can write this sentence. Next sentence. The other girl is in a yellow raincoat. Simple sentence by looking at the picture. Now add extra details. The other girl is wearing a shiny yellow raincoat and smiling brightly. Again, visual details. The other girl is dressed in a bright yellow raincoat that shines against the gray background of the cloudy sky. So what here you are writing on the basis of color contrast. That yellow raincoat shines against the gray background of the cloudy sky. So this way you can add sensory details. Or you can also write in the third sentence, she is smiling by walking through a puddles and she looks happy, because by looking at the face, you can write this line also. Next, they are holding umbrellas. Simple sentence by looking at the picture again. Now add details again. The girls are holding big umbrellas to keep the rain off their head, or instead of writing this, you can simply write to stay dry. So there are different ways to writing the same thing. Then adding sensory details, the girls are holding large umbrellas over their heads to protect themselves from the falling rain. Now you can stretch the sentence. Simple. So instead of writing they are holding umbrellas, you can write these two sentences, 1 and 2. The next one, the umbrellas are purple and pink. This is the simple way of writing by looking at the picture. The umbrellas are looking purple and pink in the picture. So the pink and purple umbrellas look beautiful against the gray cloudy sky. You are adding the describing words. So the pink and purple umbrellas look beautiful against the gray and cloudy sky. Or by adding sensory details, what you can write, one umbrella is a lovely soft lavender purple. Now you are adding more details of that purple color, while the other is a bright rose pink. Now you are adding more details of that color, which are adding a splash of color to the gray or gloomy day. So what is the sentence? One umbrella is a lovely soft lavender purple, while the other is a bright rose pink, adding a splash of color to the gray or gloomy day. So this way you can stretch the sentence by adding details. Okay. Next, the girls are wearing gumboots. Now, gumboots they are wearing, so you can see the or hear or see the actions. They have colorful gumboots to walk in the water, right? Or their gumboots make splashes as they jump in the puddles. That also you can write. Other sentences, both girls have waterproof gumboots. Now you are defining, characterizing this gumboots. One pair is red with white polka dot. Sensory detail. What you see. One pair is red with white polka dot and other is shiny purple. Now you are adding the details of the color of the gumboots, which is perfect for puddle jump. So what is the sentence? Both girls have waterproof gumboots. One pair is red with white polka dots and the other is shiny purple, perfect for puddle jump. So this way we can stretch the sentence. Next is they are walking in a puddle. Simple line because we can see. Now adding the details, what you can write, the girls splash and play in the puddles on the road. Adding more detail. Again, the girls are splashing through the water puddle on the ground, enjoying the splish splash sound. So this is a rich vocabulary that enhance your writing. So the girls are splashing through the water puddles on the ground, enjoying the splish splash sound. So this is the rich vocabulary that you can also use for your writing. The last sentence, they look happy and are enjoying the rain. So how you can convert this sentence into a better one? They are smiling and having a fun time in the rainy weather. Or beautiful sentence, the girl are full of joy, smiling, laughing and enjoying every moment of the rainy day. So this way you can enhance your writing. See the difference. This is the basic sentence and this is the advanced sentence by adding sensory details, by emotions and settings. Isn't that amazing? Amazing. Now, what you have to remember to write a perfect picture composition. So there are 3 steps. What are the 3 steps? Step 1, start with a simple sentence. What do you see? Right? Now in step 2, what we had done? We add describing words. What does it look like? And in step 3, what you will do? You will add sensory details like what does it feel, sound or smell like. So by using these 3 steps, you can enhance your writing skills and write a perfect picture composition. Hope you understand. So now it's a turn for you. This is a picture. This you have to write, and again while writing your picture composition you will use these 3 steps. What are these 3 steps? First you will write 5 simple sentences, then rewrite them with the describing words, and then you will in the last add sensory details to make your writing shine. So for an amazing writing you will use these steps. What are these steps? These are the 3 basic steps. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for more learning fun. See you in the next video. Keep writing, keep shining.